Polynomial x to the power of 4 plus 7x cubed plus 7x squared plus px plus q is exactly divisible by x squared plus 7x plus 12, then find the values of p and q. Here's a step-by-step solution with detailed explanations to find the values of p and q. 1. Factor the divisor. We start by factoring the divisor polynomial x squared plus 7x plus 12 to find its roots. Factoring it gives us x plus 4, x plus 3. Here are the steps in detail. Two. Apply the factor theorem. The factor theorem states that if a polynomial f, x, is divisible by x, a, then f, a, equals 0. Since x to the power of 4 plus 7x cubed plus 7x squared plus px plus q is divisible by both x plus 4 and x plus 3, we can substitute x equals minus 4 and x equals minus 3 into the polynomial and equate the results to 0. Here are the steps in detail. Substitute x equals minus 3. Minus 3, caret 4 plus 7, minus 3, caret 3 plus 7, minus 3, caret 2 plus p, minus 3, plus q equals 0. 81 to 189 plus 63, 3p plus q equals 0. Minus 45, 3p plus q equals 0, equation 1. 4. Substitute x equals minus 4. Minus 4, caret 4 plus 7, minus 4, caret 3 plus 7, minus 4, caret 2 plus p, minus 4, plus q equals 0. 256 to 448 plus 112, 4p plus q equals 0. Minus 80, 4p plus q equals 0, equation 2. 5. Solve the system of equations. Now we have two equations with two unknowns, p and q. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get Substituting p equals minus 35 into equation 1 or 2, we get Finally, substitute the values of p and q in the given polynomial. Therefore, the values of p and q are p equals minus 35 and q equals minus 60.